Hi, my name is Alex. I'm technical specialist from SHRDC. Now, today I'm proud to present a new technological solution that we developed in SHRDC. Now, imagine you open a factory in Johor, and right now you are in KL, and you want to track how much your factory in Johor has used in terms of the electrical usage. So, right here, we develop a solution. Okay, this is a smart meter that assume you install in your factory in Johor. Okay, and this smart meter is connected to an industrial computer called iReef. Okay, so this industrial computer combined with your smart meter will transmit data in real time through Wi-Fi and internet. So right here, if you may see, this is a smart meter getting the live electrical usage. Okay, connected with the iReef. Okay, so both of them communicate through a protocol called RS485. Now, this industrial computer is programmed using something called node rate. So if you can see right here, this is the program that is running inside the industrial computer. Okay, using this program called node rate, we can get the signal from this smart meter in real time. Using this program called node rate, we can build a dashboard that can track, okay, that can show and display the readings from the smart meter in real time. Now later I'm going to bring to you, so right now we are in level 1 or ground floor of SHRDC. I'm going to bring you to level 4 of SHRDC, okay, to showcase to you that we can track the readings of this smart meter through internet despite, okay, we are at level 4. Okay, so let's follow me and let's go to level 4. Now we are at level 1. You see the smart meter in real time. Now the smart meter is still running at level 1. We are now in level 4 of SHRDC. So right here, I can show you a dashboard that displays the live reading from smart meter at level 1. So I would like to end this video, okay, with the conclusion that whatever we have done right here, it can be done for all companies. Okay, it's not something that's very hard. The technological boundary is not that high. Okay, so we SHRDC, we do provide trainings, and we are happy to share the knowledge with you on how to apply this kind of industrial IoT solution in your own factory. Okay, so just now we have seen the success stories. Success stories they're running in real life in the factory in Nilai, and I hope we can bring these success stories to more SME in Malaysia. If you want to learn more on how to implement industrial IoT in your factory, you may contact SHRDC or myself, Alex, to learn more. Myself and SHRDC are very happy to share our knowledge and our experience on how to apply and realize industrial IoT in your factory. With that, thank you so much and I hope to see you again.